Welcome to the Godrej Serenity flat. This is flat number 108. This is a lovely flat in Chembur area of Mumbai. The flat area is about 490 square feet. As you notice, it's a lovely studio apartment. We are entering the hall. It's a cute little hall. We've got some wonderful lighting put up to give it a nice, lovely looking kind of ambience. Huge windows, as you notice, open up into a wonderful surround. That's the view from the window out here. So this is the main entrance. We entered from here. Once again, a look at the hall. As we move along, there's a security system out here, the video door phone. The router, etc. can be placed here for Wi-Fi. And as we proceed, comes with a bathroom and a toilet attached. Out here is the kitchen. It's a fully done up kitchen. So on both sides you would notice that there's adequate storage area available on top as well as the bottom. So this is, for example, the storage. There's adequate space out here for a washing machine, the water filter, the piped gas, the hot water, the geyser. There is a burner. This is the space for the fridge. Out there is where the fridge can be placed. And then finally we enter the bedroom. So as you notice out here also, a lot of emphasis on lighting, and the openness, as you would notice, is quite evident. Again, adequate storage for a couple in terms of the cupboard that you see right in front. There's storage on top out there as well as right at the bottom, which can serve as a shoe rack. This is a lovely view, once again, like we had in the hall. A lovely view from here. Huge windows which give way to the building premise outside. There's adequate protection for children in terms of the glass here, so there's no need to worry. There's a glass barrier here. As you notice, a lot of emphasis on different types of lighting, and that's how it looks like. This is a glass out here, so you get a lovely view, uninterrupted view of the garden as well as the pool. If you notice, the pool right there onto your left. So